got the cockpit glassed in. Had my first little run with peel ply. Not sure I didn't make any mistake you could make with it. A couple of the things is I tried to use that peel ply on this curved surface with this, and that just don't play. What I learned is peel ply likes straight, flat surfaces, not multi-dimension, so to speak. So everything's in there. You'll see this one pipe is not glassed in. That'll be the live well drain. It'll get glued straight down in there. There's a little column. You'll see here, even with the peel ply, I've got some little air spots in there, and it's far enough inboard off of that flange, off of that where that 1208 came onto the deck. I'm gonna just leave it, and you can see here the connection. So this was all covered in peel ply, and it's hard to describe this surface. I don't even know what to describe it as once you peel it back, but it certainly seems like it would be great to just go on top of. Here you can see where I didn't use the peel ply. It's just my first time using it, and I kind of screwed it up. So this will obviously have to be sanded in here. So we're gonna start on this, start getting ready to start putting fairing compound in here. You can see I covered this a little bit of video, but I didn't really go into pulling fillets and stuff all around all that, seal it up. That all worked fine. I'll have to come back and sand these so that the fittings can all fit on there right. And also, you want to make sure you leave those a lot longer. I'm going to find some extensions. I've got some little rubber boots that'll go on there as well. I'm going to find the right fix. So the next thing is going to be, I've already come in here and I've sanded all of the stuff in here. I just did the final test fit on the floor. So I'm going to pull it up. I'm going to go ahead and glass the top of it because it's got all these holes. I think it'd be just easier to go ahead and glass it with that 10 ounce right now before it's got all that other stuff to deal with trying to put that down while it's in there. But everything's clean underneath there. I vacuumed it all out, sanded all the walls, got everything ready. So hopefully I'm gonna glue this floor down, try and get in here and glass all this. I've also come in here in this bilge again, and I've sanded all of it. It's ready for fairing compound. And my goal is when I start doing fairing compound is to do the live well. There's not really a whole lot in here that's gonna go into fairing compound yet. But I will be fairing all of this because we're going to put top coat in here for sure. So that's going to be the next step. So I'm hoping while this is drying, I may jump in here and start sanding on this. I've got to sand each of the bow and the stern areas in here, and then that section in the middle. Alright, so I don't know how much of that I got. Camera problems. Putting this down, but I screwed up in that the resin from glass in the top of this hadn't fully cured. So you really can't pull this peel ply off until it's fully cured, or you get a situation like this where you actually rip the fiberglass up. So fortunately, this is going to be underneath the fillet, and there'll be some glass coming down off of that wall when we glass the back of this wall. So I'm gonna pull some thickened epoxy in there and I'll glass that. It's not the end of the world, especially where it's at. There's gonna be a live release well here on top of it. But I'm gonna pull these floor braces up, pull this peel ply off, and I'll show that when that happens. And then I'm gonna come in here today and pull these fillets and try and get this compartment here glassed. And that'll be the last compartment up here that's gotta be glassed in. So one thing you'll see here that I mentioned before, you see now I have that factory edge down on the floor and I don't have all those stray strands going all over the place. So like I said, that was something that I learned that I'll use going forward. So as we're kind of coming to an end here, you can see I put some peel ply on that one side. That'll be the only side that'll get finished, so to speak, faired or whatnot. But we got that peel ply on. That's going to pretty much wrap up this one. Basically got that whole compartment finished, and we'll pick it up from here as we go forward.